Right now, the federal government has been shut down for a little over a month. And while most people are talking about politics, I want to talk to you about what really matters when you're buying or selling a home here in East Tennessee. From flood insurance to slower loan approvals, let's look at what this shutdown means for our local housing market and whether your plans need to change. Stay tuned. I'm going to talk about it. My name is Melody, and I want to be your real estate resource for all things East Tennessee. And today I'm on location. I'm actually in a county that I don't even cover. I'm in Ray County in Spring City, and I was driving through it and I just saw this gorgeous background with all the fall leaves, and I was like, this is where I need to film today because it's just absolutely gorgeous. You can also see I'm wearing short sleeves. It's actually quite warm for a November day. So all good things East Tennessee. But the topic at hand is how the government shutdown is affecting the local real estate market. And even if the government opens tomorrow or later this afternoon, there's still going to be some things that you need to know about. So Congress missed its October the 1st deadline, which triggered the shutdown. Many agencies have furloughed workers or even reduced services. Essential operations like the United States Postal Service continue, but several real estate related services are currently on pause. The biggest impact is flood insurance. During the shutdown, the National Flood Insurance Program can't issue new policies or even renew existing policies. That means if you're buying a home in or on or near a flood zone, which a lot of homes here in East Tennessee with all the rivers and lakes that we have are in or near a flood zone, your closing could be delayed until the funding is restored. What about loans and closings? Most loans through private lenders, conventional financing, and many bank products are still moving forward. However, some of the federal government-backed loan programs such as USDA and FHA loans could slow down due to limited staffing at these federal offices. Now, a lot of homes here in East Tennessee are purchased with FHA or USDA loans. Appraisals, verifications, or document reviews, especially for these two types of loans, could take much longer. Even after the government reopens, there's going to be a backlog. What does this mean for the local market? In past shutdowns, 75% of agents said that their transactions were unaffected. Roughly 1 in 10 reported delays with clients or closings. So here in our area, that could cause a few hiccups in timing, but not a collapse in activity. Homes are still going under contract here, and demand for East Tennessee remains steady. What does this matter for relocation buyers? If you're moving here from another state, plan for a little extra time in your transaction, especially if you're using federal loan programs or needing flood insurance. The good news is that local agents, lenders, and title companies are used to navigating these kinds of situations. When will it end? Who knows? It might have already ended by the time you're watching this video. However, as I stated earlier, there will be a backlog. So the extra time in transactions is still going to be a thing, especially if you're using a federally backed lending program. The National Association of REALTORS is pushing lawmakers to act quickly because real estate drives about 20% of the national economy. If you're planning a move to East Tennessee, don't let the headlines stop you. Just make sure that you're working with local professionals who understand how to keep your deal moving even in a government shutdown. I'll keep you updated if things change. So be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you're thinking about making East Tennessee home sometime soon, let's talk. Please make sure you comment on this video. I love to hear from my viewers. I try to get back to you very quickly. I even challenge you to share this video on your social media platforms or even text it to a friend, as it helps me to get the word out about real estate here in beautiful East Tennessee. Until next time.